Alright, STL Ray Edwards had a video out. Ask about your perfect packing pistol. Now, when I hear perfect packing pistol, I think about something you can open carry and conceal carry effectively, especially conceal well for being a medium-sized gun, or even a large-sized gun if you can conceal one rather well. This isn't a great example because I actually have almost over half of that gun out getting titanium nitride coated. That is my Springfield 1911A1 loaded, all stainless. Getting the slide, beaver tail, backstrap, mainspring. Beaver tail, mainspring housing, and the magwell, and the barrel bushing, slide lock, and the ambi safeties coated. Reason so, I always open carry this gun in a Serpa holster, and this actually screwed up a lot of my slide and some of my trigger guard, which you can't tell too much. I might try doing something to even it all out. Messed it up a little under here. But anyway, my 1911, that's my least effective packing pistol. Next on the line would probably be my wife's Glock 19. That's a mid-sized Glock. Running 15 rounds of Hornady, critical duty. This one's easily concealable, no problem. Open carry it. Got a Serpa here. When I open carry, I use a Serpa, no big deal. This one I actually line the inside with felt, so it doesn't do anything to the slide. Next on the list, even though I wouldn't open carry it, it's my newest acquisition, M&P Shield 9mm. I put the NDZ Performance standard base plate. It's not very huge like the Pierce. Running it in the Alien gear. Then would be my Glock 23C, modified as you can tell by that grip. So run the stock 13 round mag, or the Glock 27 mag. Lose your pinky, but hey, this thing conceals rather nice. In my preferred holster, the Aegis Armory. And on a side note, my wife does have a Aegis Armory holster that she never has worn because she doesn't have her CCW yet. I had a Glock 22. It was too big. I sold it. Not a big fan anymore of the giant Glocks. Had a Glock 27. That was probably actually my most accurate of all my Glocks, even if it was the smallest gun. But I rarely ever wore it, so that was my main decision on getting this one modified. You can use it all, all around good gun, and that was when I bought my Shield, which is a thin damn gun. So that's what my favorite packing pistol right now would be. The TFO sights, grip force adapter, beaver tail. Did a little undercut on it. It's not pretty. You can look in there, see a bunch of sand marks, but let's see here. Drop free. So if you're going to modify any Glock, I think it should be the 19 or 23 size. There you go. Alright, thank you.